Hello everyone. I am very happy to introduce Mr. Lakshmi Sai Krishna. He has a secured All India rank 10 in electronics branch of engineering in the GATE 2024. It's a very proud moment for all of us. Mr. Sai Krishna, he passed out in the year 2022. In his very first attempt, he cracked the GATE exam and he took classroom coaching from ACE Academy in Hyderabad, Kottapet branch. Sai Krishna, many congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Krishna, you please tell us about your BTech background.
Yes, sir. My BTech is a collaborative program, sir, from JNTU Kakinada. I finished my first 3 years in JNTU Kakinada branch. And then my 4th year of BTech is in Sweden, BTH, Blekinge Institute of Technology. And then I returned back to India last year. And immediately within a few days, I joined in ACE College and in ACE Academy in Kottapet. And I prepared for GATE from then onwards till February. And now I got a good rank and I'm happy to be here with you in this interview, sir. My schooling was all in Tenali, 10th until 10th. My inter was in Fiji, Vijayawada, sir.
Okay, fine. Right. Sai Krishna, yours is very interesting journey because we observe that many students who go abroad, especially who pursue their degree, bachelor's degree, and coming back to India and taking this type of competitive examination is somewhat uncommon. But in your case, something it is different. So immediately after completion of your bachelor's degree there, you came back to India and you took this GATE exam, and the very first attempt you cracked this with very wonderful rank of All India rank 10. Sai Krishna, please tell us what prompted you to come back to India and take a decision to prepare for this competitive examination and got this rank?
Yes, sir. There are various reasons, sir. The important reasons are one thing is the industry there, the jobs that the industry in Sweden they are providing. So it is mostly based on telecommunications, sir. Even that is a very good field, sir. Now they are working on 6G, 7G, etc. But my interest lies in electronics and circuits parts, sir. So I thought that India is now becoming a superpower in electronics. So I want to be a part of this particular development in India. So that is the reason, one major reason, sir. Second major reason is my health issues, like the environment there is completely different from India. It is extremely cold weather and I could not cope up with that particular weather, sir. So that is second reason, sir. Third reason is somewhat like a mix of financial reasons and somewhat my personal opinion, like I felt better in India, sir, personally, based on happiness or etc. These are three major reasons.
Okay, Sai Krishna, right, fine. See, here there is one perception among the youngsters. See, especially when it comes to the GATE examination and EAC, many people think that this GATE exam and EAC, they are very tough. Competing with so many students is somewhat difficult. That's why once they go abroad, they continue their education, masters, etc. there itself. So what message that you want to give to your other friends here, though, especially let us say those who are pursuing, those who came back to India and those who want to take up the GATE exam? So what is your message to this type of students who want to take the GATE exam with a foreign degree background, let us say, for example?
Yes, sir. Even I have as you said, even I have a master's offer, sir, in Sweden. I even paid a semester fee also, but I took a refund, and after coming back to India, I decided that I should take a refund and continue with my GATE preparation. So the message is like, if you're thinking that there are more opportunities in foreign countries than India and you want to go to foreign, please try to reconsider your decision, because there are really very good opportunities in India also. Even in coming days, India is going to emerge as a superpower in both technology wise and academic wise as well as executive wise. So definitely they are going to, even now there are more opportunities, but in coming few years there is going to be a boom, or what in your language maybe there is going to boom in the industry. So definitely GATE will open many doors to such kind of opportunities. So rather than going somewhere else and doing a job that is not interesting you much, stay back, find your passion here itself and try for GATE or any other competitive exam of your choice. And also about the perception of GATE being tough, no competitive exam is 100% tough, sir. First, I want to clarify this one. There will be definitely a percentage of questions which are easy and a percentage of questions which are moderate, and then there is a percentage of questions which are tough also. But if you could crack those easy and moderate part, it should be sufficient for any competitive exam to get a good rank, sir. Second thing is we are not competing with the examiner, sir. We are competing with the competition. So if it is tough for a student, it is tough for the whole competition also. So don't worry to score like there is no rule that you should score 100 out of 100. You just need to be with your competition. That is enough. So there is no worry about toughness here. Yes,
Yeah, that's what we always advise students. The GATE exam is relative. If it is easy for me, it will be easy for you also.
Yes.
Right, or vice versa, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sai Krishna, you tell us exactly how many months the classroom coaching program that you took from ACE Academy?
It is approximately 120 days to 150 days, sir. 4 to 4.5 months for EC. Usually it is on an average, it should be 5 to 6 months, sir, for all branches.
Right, fine. So seriously, from which month onwards you started your preparation for this GATE examination? And let me complete it.
Yes.
Right, from which month you started this GATE examination? Right, daily you used to have some class work there, right? Let us say 4 hours or 5 hours. After the class hours, what you used to do? What was your approach in this, what you call, let us say 6 months, 7 months of rigorous preparation?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I came back to India in June, and then I took a gap of 20 days approximately. Immediately I came to Hyderabad, July 14th or so. I started my classes. My batch was started. From then onwards until November end, my syllabus got completed. From December 1st week onwards until February 12th, my exam of GATE, I have time for preparation. So during the coaching from July to November ending, in this 4 months of period, what I have done is, I use it, first of all, attendance is very important, sir. Some people may think we may take some break also, there will be no problem, but the continuity, if you miss, sir, then it will be a big problem for future classes also, sir. So attendance I used to follow very strictly, sir. Second thing, initially the classes were somewhat relaxed, sir, until afternoon or so. So then I used to get half of the day time. So in that time, I used to solve the ACE material, which is really good. It is like a collection of all other competitive exams, including GATE and all other competitive exams also. It is like a practicing for problems from all other competitive exams. So that way I used to get practice. If I get some more time, I used to do previous year questions. And then that after 2 months, the schedule got a little bit tighter. The classes were from like morning to evening. So then I used to not get so much time. So in the limited time only, I used to do PAQs, or I used to give topic-wise tests. So during the coaching itself, it's better to give topic-wise tests, sir, rather than subject-wise tests. Now coming to this December and January period, once the syllabus is finished, I used to focus on the short notes during the revision. December month is for revision, sir. It's like 30 days. So I have 10 subjects. Every 3 days, I took one subject at a time. One subject I used to revise. I used to solve the PAQs if any, previous year questions if any pending. And then I used to complete the short notes if it is pending also. By the end of the December, my PAQs are all finished. One perfect revision is finished. And also subject-wise tests I used to take occasionally. And short notes are ready within my hand, sir. In January, it is like only for mock tests. Every day morning I used to wake up, 3 hours mock test I used to give. I used to eat. And then I used to analyze the paper for 2 to 3 hours. In this way, I gave 28 mock tests, sir. Finally, even before the GATE exam also, the before day also I gave one mock test, sir. In this way, I used to prepare, sir. If any, based on the mistakes of the morning exam, I used to take the concepts and revise those in the evening section. So this way, my GATE I prepared, sir, and I got successful rank, sir. Finally.
Okay, fine. So he has thrown light on the detailed the way how Mr. Sai Krishna prepared. Sai Krishna, one more thing. See, along with you, there would have been many other students who took the GATE coaching, right?
Yes,
in the classroom
yes, sir,
itself.
yes.
When so many students took the GATE coaching, you are the person who came with the flying colors of All India rank at 10.
Yes.
But some of your other colleagues, other batchmates could not get.
Yes.
In your opinion, right? Definitely you have some disciplines, dedication, systematic approach, all this. So why others could not score such a good rank? You are able to score. In your observation, what could be that main reasons why others could not score like you?
First and foremost reason I observed is, sir, attendance, sir. Many people are not following strict attendance, sir. It's better if you are attending 100% of the classes. It means that you have some good grasp of the whole syllabus. So that is first thing, sir. Second thing, after the syllabus completion, they're taking a lot of time to start their own preparation, sir. So they need to start, then you can take a break of maybe 4 to 5 days, but they're taking like 1 month, which is like they're wasting the half of the time of preparation. So immediate start of preparation, and most of the people are neglecting online test series, sir. This is major drawback, sir. Without doing online test series, you cannot take the exam on the gate day with good strategy, with good time management, sir. The OTS will teach you good time management. And also one more problem is previous year questions. They are ignoring previous year questions also, sir. They are solving partially, or they are solving only single time and they're leaving, sir. Even if they solve previous year questions one time and leave off, they may not remember the concept that involved in that question. So we should revise one more time if possible before GATE exam. That.
It's a very good observation by Sai Krishna. In fact, we too say the students the same points when we take the classes there. For you see, to crack the GATE examination, you require certain parameters. One is the consistency in attending the classes and systematically following. The second point is GATE exam requires the problem solving skills, understanding the concepts thoroughly, and then problem solving skills. So as Sai Krishna pointed out, unless you solve this PYQs, unless you solve these mock exam questions, you can't get such what you call expertise there. And moreover, in the GATE exam, within 3 hours of solving 65 questions require a lot of rigorous practice. If you can take this full length mock test, etc., definitely you are going to excel. Those who are not able to follow all these points, for them I think it will be difficult to crack the GATE examination. This point you have to understand, right? And one more, Sai Krishna. See, you started preparation in the month of July and it went up to the what you call February first week, right? Right. So in this 7 months, let us say 7 months of rigorous preparation, working hard morning to evening, definitely sometimes you might get a feeling that you are stressed, you are somewhat demotivated, all this, right?
Yes, sir.
So how you used to bounce back from these feelings?
Yes, sir. Like common misconception for all the competitive exams is that we should prepare 16 hours a day and every day without taking a break. I feel that 8 to 10 hours, my personal schedule includes 8 to 10 hours per day, sir. But whether it is 8 hours or 10 hours or even 4 hours or 6 hours also, you should be effective throughout that period, sir. Even if you study for 16 hours without effectiveness is waste of time, sir. So first be sure that even if you take less time for preparation, you just be effective in that time. And also there is no rule that you should be constrained from the every entertainment that you have. Occasionally I would go to movies also, sir. Even in January also I used to go for movies, sir, to cinema theaters also. But don't get carried away in that part. Just you take occasional breaks. Maybe monthly twice or thrice you take occasional breaks, sir, not a problem. But don't go completely into the diversion. Get back immediately and start preparing, and don't stress yourself throughout the day. Take like spend some time with your family. Avoid mobile phone and laptops mostly, and spend time with your family. That will give you more boost, and it will mostly it will help with demotivation also, sir. Family will give support, will give some motivation, which will erase the demotivation part also, sir. Distractions, etc.
Right. Sai Krishna, see, if you talk about this AS Academy classroom coaching, we have got excellent infrastructure. Like all our classrooms are fully air conditioned, central air conditions, and we have smart boards there. We have excellent audio, visual, and in fact, our faculty use a lot of videos there with a lot of animation, etc., to make the students to understand easily. So, what was your experience with our AS classroom coaching?
Yes, sir. The classrooms are first of all very spacious, sir. They are also following all the norms very perfectly, and 1 meter square per 1 meter square, 1 meter square of area is given to every student also. You don't need to constrict yourself in the space wise also, and it is a well air conditioned, and even the last bench student can observe the teacher very clearly. And it is designed in such a way, sir, very neatly. And also all the teachers will try to write a very big size, so every student gets a good view of the topic. And also they use they are using the technology in a very good manner. They are using these smart screens. Two advantages are there, sir, for smart screen. One is visualization part. Some topics require rigorous 3D visualization for good understanding. So those topics are really good on the smart screen, sir. And sometimes they may show some videos for guidance as well as for subject also. And sometimes, and the second advantage is there in some classes, not in some classes, you have 3D screen there, and a duplicate 3D screen at the far end of the class, from the far behind of the class. So the last bench student also may see the topic on the screen very easily, sir. So in these two ways, the technology is very useful, and the teachers are also very cooperative. They clear the doubts very instantly. There are many ways of asking doubts also. We can ask in the classroom at any point of time during the lecture. And the second one is you can contact them through WhatsApp. They are very quick in answering through WhatsApp also. And third thing is I can contact them through AIR's online app, Fresh Chat also. There also the teachers are very fast. Within 24 hours, they're clarifying all the doubts, sir. So in any way, I never felt like isolated from my home environment in the IAS coaching throughout my coaching period, sir.
But sitting in a classroom continuously for, let us say, 6 hours, 7 hours, of course, you may have regular intervals of break there. Did you feel any discomfort attending classes so lengthy, 6 hours, 7 hours a day like that?
It used to be there at the beginning, sir, but once I get habituated to the new schedule, as days passed by, it felt fine for me, sir. And also they're giving a good considerable breaks, sir, morning 2 hours and afternoon 2 hours, etc. Even if evening there is a class also, they're giving consistent breaks also. So these breaks are good enough, sir. But
and moreover, faculty members also at regular intervals of time, they try to motivate
yes,
and
sir.
they make you lighter, right?
Yes, sir.
By discussing
if
some
there
other
is,
encouraging points.
Yes, sir. If there is like 6 hours of the session, they won't spend 6 hours completely for topic or subject, sir. They take 2 hours at least, 1 or 2 hours for giving guidance, valuable guidance regarding after what after gate, etc. And also some funny charts from jokes. It feels like it always it feels like when it doesn't feel like going to coaching center, sir. It will be going with very happiness and coming back very happy.
So it makes you to feel lighter and comfortable in attending the classes.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
Okay, good. Sai Krishna, see, in your EC around 10 to 11 subjects are there.
Yes.
Did you focus equally on all these subjects? Otherwise, did you make any specific emphasis on some topics?
GATE is such an exam, sir, where the high unpredictability nature, sir, GATE is. So we cannot say that if this year we got these many questions from this subject, next year they may not give from more questions from that particular subject, sir. So it's better to focus on all subjects equally at up to a basic level. Once you get to that basic level, then you can see where you are more interested, where you are really good at. You focus more on those subjects and make sure that you are not leaving behind some other subjects also. Then you will be on a safe side during the GATE exam, sir, because of its highly unpredictable nature and they are touching more untapped areas these days. So that's why I suggest that you'll give equal importance for all the subjects. Once you get to that level, you just start working more on your favorite subjects also.
And one more thing, did you prepare the entire syllabus with 100% perfection of your EC?
No, sir. I would
Can
say
you quantify approximately how much percent? Let us say
yes,
90, 95, 85 like that.
85 to 90% I can guarantee, sir. Because some subjects like computer architecture and organization, etc. So there is a conception that these topics they are asking only very few questions. Every year only one question they are asking. So rather than wasting 5 or 6 days or 10 days for this particular subject, we can focus on other two more subjects. So that's why I took that subject in January. When I feel bored or with preparation, I got to go to that subject. Even I got that question this year correctly only, sir. So it's not that you should leave that subject, but you can give less priority for a few subjects if the pattern is continuing from more years.
Let us say, for example, right, there are so many subjects, right?
Yes.
Networks, control system, communications, digital, and all this.
Yes.
Suppose a student wants to prepare selectively. Let us say 5 to 6 subjects the student wants to prepare because of various reasons, lack of time or something else.
Yes.
So in your opinion, what are those 5 to 6 subjects the student can selectively prepare to get a reasonable rank in the GATE exam of electronics?
Yes, sir. So practically speaking, electromagnetic theory, EMT, and communications. These two subjects are having a humongous syllabus, sir. So it's impractical to cover these two subjects if you are not up to the mark till now. So I would suggest these two subjects, you can keep them at the last. So first of all, we should try to finish digital part, networks part, and then signals part, control systems part. So these are more mathematical and more interesting, and they're more scoring parts, sir. And also, if you, based on your interest, you can go any one of electronic devices or analog. Because this year, electronic device and analog is really tough, sir, in my opinion. Even in my paper, I left out analog, to be frank. Left out analog and all, EDC also, I attempted few questions correctly, sir. So it's not that you have to attempt every subject in the exam. Based on the toughness, strategically, we have to go on the final day, sir. But as you asked me, practically, I am telling that EMT communications are somewhat lengthy syllabus. You can see about them later. networks, controls, signals, and digitals. These 4 are very important, and they are giving you more scores.
More scoring subjects.
More scoring subjects, yes,
subjects. Right. And on the day of the GATE examination,
yes.
how did you attempt the question? Did you attempt the questions as they appear on the screen? Otherwise, any specific strategy like attempting 2 marks questions first, then 1 mark aptitude, mathematics, something, any order?
Yes, sir. Basically, because I gave more online test series, mock test series, I have a good understanding of how to go with what paper, how to go with an easy paper or how to go with a hard paper, sir. So this year, for any paper, my strategy is start with aptitude, sir, and then go to max. Because aptitude is 15 marks and max is 13 marks, sir. Total combined is 28 marks. Here itself, you will be qualifying the exam, sir, if you correctly attempt. So that gives a very good confidence to go through the core subjects. So first of all, I finished the aptitude and then I finished mathematics. Once I finished these things, I started with 1 mark questions and then 2 marks questions. Because this, my feeling is this year, it is a tough paper, sir. Instead of going with my favorite subjects, it's better to go from in the given order only, sir. Because almost every question felt like tough, sir. That's why it's better to go with 1 marks and 2 marks in order. Better to follow round system, sir. First you take a round 1. In round 1, you attempt all the questions which you are feeling as this is a question in my zone. I can definitely do this question. And then after finish round 1, you will be having a lot of time left. Then you go to the round 2. There you attempt moderate questions or some questions which you think that they are lengthy. Then you, after finishing this round 2, if you have even more time, then you go to round 3. Then you attempt the hard questions at the end. Yeah. That is a better strategy for any paper, sir.
Right. So totally how many marks you got out of 100 in the
I got 66.67 marks, sir.
66.67. 67 marks. And the rank is 10. What is the score?
Score is 970, sir.
970. Sai Krishna, what are you going to do with this wonderful score?
Because
are you going to joining any MTech in premium institute, otherwise thinking of joining a PSU job?
Initially, I thought of PSU jobs, sir, to be frank. When I joined, during the GATE coaching, my opinion was based on PSU jobs usually. But after getting this good rank and also as I see more very good opportunities, even recently respected PMs are inaugurated many semiconductor industries, etc. So it's now I am feeling that it's better to go to any IIT Bombay or IIT Madras. I can pursue my courses like VLSI or embedded systems, and I can be a part of semiconductor growth in India. I thought it would be a better option, sir.
Yeah, that will be a good option, I think, right? Because once you do your masters from a premier institute, especially in a specialized areas, what you said, like VLSI, microelectronics, etc., if you can get into some prototype company, I think you'll have a wonderful career.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sai Krishna, in this video, you have shared many valuable points, right? Hope the students who are watching this particular video definitely get benefited. And apart from this, do you want to give any other points or any other message to the aspirants of the GATE examination in general and electronics in particular?
Yes, sir. Electronics, guys, you have really got a lot of opportunities. Compared, I don't want to compare also. Electronics itself has a very good future in India, especially. So don't neglect GATE in electronics. Definitely, you will be having very good bright future. And other suggestion is most of the GATE aspirants fall into the trap of core subjects when they come initially. But don't neglect mathematics and aptitude. They will give you the basic qualifying mark immediately you start the paper. Then you can have good scoring options in core subjects also. Myself, I used to practice every day from November till the GATE exam. Every day, 2 hours I used to spend on, every day 2 hours on mathematics and aptitude, sir. So don't neglect mathematics and aptitude. Practice daily. 1 hour is enough. If you can do 2 hours also is good. Every day practice mathematics and engineering. That will give you a full in mathematics and aptitude and much needed confidence to attempt the core subjects during the GATE exam. This is the one best strategy I could give to the aspirants, sir.
Well said, Sai Krishna, right? Many points you have given in this interview, right? So, Sai Krishna, once again, on behalf of ACE Academy, I congratulate you on securing the 10th rank in the EC GATE 2024 exam. And we wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.